So today we are supposed to do this, and yeah, it's gonna be working on that. Okay, so I think I'm done. So the problem that I was running into is here, I feel like you can't do this here, which is like setting the proper size, which would be doing the math here. Finding the size, finding USD size using order price and stop loss price, percent or price based on possible loss. So here we have this loss, which could be $1, right? Because we have a original size of 100, stop loss percent of 1%. So we get our stop loss price. Then we have our possible loss here. Then we get the USD size that we would need in order to get a $1 loss, which is right here. So I think we have to do all of that here if there's a stop loss. But now I guess there's a problem of if we take profit. It would be looking at this and creating a size based off of the stop loss. So if I said I wanted to take $100 profit, if I wanted to take $100 out of my so here I would have to do something like if it's an entry. Oh yeah. So here we'll do is entry equals order type equals order type dot long entry or order type we'll do this short entry, and then we'll say if this is infinite and is entry, else if this. All right. So if it's an entry, then do this. If it's not, then just leave it alone. But this is again why I need to eventually separate an order checker from take profit stop loss order checker, because I feel like if I am execute order, so here we have the process order, so we have the order checker, then we have the execute order. I think we need to have execute order, and then inside of here, if it's a long entry, then inside of here you run the, well, I guess that would defeat the purpose. Well, not really. It would just be one extra step, right? Because if we are running the process order, all we're doing is running this, then we run this. So we're just doing this step before we even get to this point. And so to reduce I mean, I guess no matter what you do, well, we have to check to see if it's an entry or not. Anyways, let's just see if this shit works. So do this. Let's do this. Let's go to the errors. Low variable account risk amount referred before assignment. Long increase 87. Account risk amount. Shit. Where did I delete this from? Oh, yeah. Checking to see if there's some sort of stop loss. Okay, so there is a stop loss, but there is not a max. So this would have to be checking. So that's this. So let's create this. And then is max this. That's going to equal this or max equity risk percent. This. So I have not or wait, what? Why can't I? Boom. What? Why can this do that? It's fucked up. I can do this here. Oh, that's why. There we go. So then we'll say if is stop loss and is go. So here we are checking if there is some sort of equity. So we got this, this. Right. Checking this. Checking if there is some sort of stop loss. Boom. Checking if there's some sort of max equity. Boom. If this and this, then do this. Okay. Again. Give me errors. 0.5, 0.8. So now the stop loss is correct. But now the take profit. The All right. So now, what does that mean? Hmm. Well, we fixed the stop loss. Now we gotta fix tick profit. Actually, I think something is really wrong here because if I want to, my possible loss is going to be $8. Oh, that's true. But what's crazy is like if I want my possible loss to be $90, if I want a 90%, that means I'm gonna lose $90. It's saying that I would need 99 if I wanted to 100. The USD size would just need to be 100. Oh no, my USD size would need to be this. My USD size? Oh boy. But anyways, there seems to be a problem because, oh no, there doesn't seem to be a problem. I'm doing 0.5. My stop loss percent is 0.5. 2-to-1 risk to reward. I think the problem is that I don't know what those numbers mean, so let's just do 1% for now. Let's debug this. Okay, so let's run through here. What? Okay. Possible loss is $1. Our size needs to be 89. That makes sense. So we're passing this along here. Okay. Boom. So we're in the trade. Oh boy. Let's do this. Can I do that or no? Let's see. So here, this is our first. Why are we not? Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, because I think we needed to do 3 of these. Okay. Wait, our order dot size, if order dot size is greater than accounts dot state position. Oh. Well, it's the same exact thing. Let's just throw that little bad boy in there. All right. This is basically the same. So, okay. And then here when we're taking profit. Wait, what was even the problem? Oh, we do have to go to 0.5. So, okay. How did we win only 80 cents? We should have won like 99 or something. So, okay, so let's see here. Let's get rid of all these breakpoints. Let's just put one right here. And let's debug. Okay, boom. So the first one, whatever. Second one, the order size is 80. My position is this. Oh, I didn't reset. Okay. So we'll move forward. The percent change order price. Wait, why do we need this? So I'm looking at this, and I think there's a gigantic problem with take profits. So here it's like, if there's a risk to reward, if the size percent is not nan, okay. But the possible profit with no fees shouldn't have anything to do with this. It should be the stop loss. The stop loss times the size, right? Because if I did 80.923, whatever it is, times 0.01 times 2, that's gonna give me $1.60, whatever it is. So versus if I did 80 point blah 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 times point times 0.005. What is the position size? What? Oh. The position size is this, right? No. Whoops, 0.5. What? Oh, it's down here. So it's this. So possible loss is 50 cents. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is a weird situation where it seems to be that the size does not matter. That's because I'm not using the size for some reason. I do this. Why am I not using the size? Oh. All right, so we have this situation here where it's obvious if we have a original size of 100 and a stop loss of 0.5, then we're going to lose 50 cents. So in order to lose 50 cents, you need this position size. That will give you this. So now what I need to do is say with this position size, what does my what does my in order to get a $1 profit with a position size of this, so that means that I would need to do, so in order to get the right, so the possible, no, I need to do possible profit, no fee. I need this. So wait, where did so I entered at 1,000. So in order to get a $1, what is this? Let's see if I put that in here. What does that give me? With a one. None of this makes any sense. We'll just leave this like that. So here, I guess, according to this, the take profit price to get a P&L of this of 1 with a size of this and fees and size and an entry of 1,000, you would need an entry of this. So, all right, so it looks like we've got the thing, but the realized P&L is off, but I think it just has to do with a rounding, because if this was 0.9, you know, if it was 0.8, if it was 0.7, yeah, so it's off by like 20 cents. But I don't know how, because here, finding the USD size using order price and stop loss percent. So here we have a possible loss, no fees, which is 50 cents, which makes sense. Then we would have a loss, no fees, long P&L, no fees. So we'd have our long P&L, no fees, if we're using this size. Okay, so that means that we need to have a bigger long P&L. So we'd have our coin size times take profit minus entry. Uh-huh. We have our long P&L minus the fee, minus the fee. So we have our long P&L of this, minus this, minus this, which gives us give us 98. I don't think that there's any way around it. Unless, because I don't know how big, how much does this grow by? How much does this discrepancy grow by? Do I always need to add 20 cents, or does it grow and get bigger as the position size gets bigger? I think I would have to set up I'm gonna have to set up a function that you send it your P&L and then like run it through a for loop and then just see like, because first I'd have to get the size. So I'd first have to set this up and be like, okay, I know what the size is. Well, I guess first I'd have to know how much I'm willing to lose. That's the problem. I don't think that I'm doing anything wrong. I just think it has to be a rounding issue. Oh, I really don't want to build that function to see, like, there's got to be a way to where it's like, I want to make sure that my realized P&L is 1. But that's what I did here. I said, I want to make sure that my realized P&L is 1. 1 plus the size times the fees plus the size. So it's going to do this first. Is there maybe like a thing in here that needs to be wrapped first? Like this would obviously happen. And maybe that's an issue. Maybe I'll take a look at that. Okay, I ended up getting into like a 50 million hour long call, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add 50 cents to the take profit price, possibly. And then just run the... Well, the problem is like, as I run this and we get deeper and deeper and deeper into the thing, like, I'm not really going to know. Well, I guess I could look at the stop losses and see how much I'm losing and then just multiply that by 2 or something. Or I could send over what like the P&L should be without. Yeah, I think I'll have to do that. Send over P&Ls, put in inside of the fill order records. Put in something like a P&L, no fees. We'll do that so that way there's an error so I know. And then then if I do that, then I'll be able to compare. I don't need the average entry. So here I'd be able to compare like realized P&L versus P&L with no fees, and then I'll be able to see how close everything is. All right, so we're here. I'm actually gonna delete this. We don't need this right now. And okay, so we're here. Uh Finding USD size using order price. Finding USD size using order price and stop loss. That's not what I want. What? Which one do I want? I think I want this one. Finding USD size? No, that's not what I'm finding. Wait a minute. Finding realized profit based on profit price and size. And then here, this is unfortunately the same thing as this. So this is solving for take profit price. Okay, so we need to put this inside of here. So where do we put that? Here. So here we say if not is nan risk to reward, if not is nan size percent. So account equity. Okay, this makes sense. So this is like 100 times 1% times risk reward. So that would give me $1 that I want to risk times the risk reward, which is 2. So that's going to give me 2 possible dollars profit. Else, possible profit, no fees. Size divided by new average entry. Okay, so this gives me the coin size times stop loss price minus new average entry times 2. Shouldn't it be this? Negative size divided by this. What? Oh yeah, this is how you do the profit no fees. So you get your coin size, and you do your stop loss price minus this, which would give you a negative number, and then you multiply it by the risk to reward. Okay. But if that size is, but this size is based off of oh shit. Shit. I think what I need to do here is get the risk amount with no fees. Ah, shit. How do I do that? I think I'm running into the issue because I need. Unless I do this, losses, no fees. Yeah, the realized P&L here. Unless I do the stop loss, all I really need to do is send over the. I need to get the. I need to get this and multiply this by 2. Don't I? Yeah, I need to do that. I need to get this and multiply it by 2 to get this. And then I take the size and then I do all of this stuff. So how do I get that information? I guess I have to do this. I have to get the coin size times the stop loss price times the entry. Then I have to get this, all this information. Then I have to multiply that by 2. So I guess that has nothing really to do with this. Oh, wait a minute. Well, yeah, that's only if there's this. So I guess in order to just get rid of all of this, I just need to do... Oh, boy. Alright. Possible profit, no fees. Well, this is possible profit, possible loss. So in order to get this, I need size divided by new average entry. I just need this. I need coin size is size divided by new average entry. Shit. Well, I guess this works actually. So then this is. Wait a minute. Why is there no stop loss price? Oh, price is. Okay, this is this. Price is. New. This is possible. This is loss. then this loss, right? So we have the coin size divided by this stop loss prices minus new average entry. So we basically just have this section. So we've got all this information. I guess, wouldn't it just be so much easier to just keep the original size? But then I have to go through and send the original size. Because then I have to do this again. Because the original size is over here somewhere. Whatever. Get the coin size. Loss, no fees. Fee to open, fee to close. Fee close. Loss, no fees. And then we come down here and we have to do... So we have to do loss plus size times fees plus size times new average entry divided by size minus size times account fees. Then here, we have to do all that plus 0.5. And then now we have this. Then if we have take profit percents. Oh my fucking god. So now we have the problem of this. So if I say I want a 2% take profit, does that mean that I know how much I want to make? I mean, why in the world would anybody ever do something to where they say, like, I want a 3% stop loss with a 1.5% take profit? Why would you not just do risk to reward? It just doesn't make, it wouldn't, I don't know, it just doesn't make any sense as to why anybody would do something like this. Why would somebody just put a percent there and not just use risk to reward? Why would somebody ever do this, and why would somebody ever do this? Anyways, what happens here? So we are losing money every single every single time. And that is because we did not do this. Wait a minute. We have to do this whole thing times negative order dot risk rewards plus 0.5. All right. Order price must be NP nan or greater than 0. I lied. I think this needs to be negative. Negative loss, so that means that we have five. Oh no, wait. Oh. Profit equals loss times order dot risk rewards. Negative loss and we add 0.5 to this. So we're taking the loss, we're making it positive, and we're multiplying it by risk reward, and that's how much we should be looking to make. Right? There we go. What the hell? We got 2 entries here? How do we have another entry here? But yet we took profit here. How does that make any sense? How does that make any sense? Oh, that's because our average entry. Okay. Uh, uh, let's put that here. And we will... Okay. Realize P&L. Alright, so let's see. So we have our average entry here, average entry here, average entry is this. Got that. This. So we lost 50 cents, we lost 50 cents, we gained $1, we lost 50 cents. We almost gained $2. That's why I'm like, ah, do one. So 50 cents, $1, 150 equals $6. That would be, oh, we're risking $1, $1, $1, $6. $1, $1. We lost $2. $1, we made $2. $1, we lost $1. Oh, I also realized that this is a little bit skewed because we had already lost 50 cents, so I completely forgot about that. So this works. Then we made $2, we lost 50 cents, we lost 50 cents, boom, we made it, we lost 50 cents. Okay. Uh let's also add in equity. Equity. Okay, let's do this. Equity. So we're down here. Let's restart. So here we have equity of 100. We have equity of 99.5. Got equity of 101, 100, 100. So 100, 1, and now we have 100. So that makes sense. And now we have these fees. So I guess it's working. So let's try to do something where we download fuck, we can't do that because we just have this. I think I fucked everything up. Okay. So that works. So this, I guess, works. So comment this out. We'll comment out the average entry. Here, we'll comment this out. In case we need it. Let's see. And why we are plotting, we are not plotting because, there we go. Why is the P&L not correct? I think I have to say that there's no fees, I think. I think that is a Y. Let's try to rerun that. I think the fees are messing me up here. So this should be 50 cents. So this is 40 cents. This should be $1.99. This is $2. So it's saying that the return is 50 cents. But my P&L is 40 cents, and it's saying this is 135, but it's $2.16. So it's under reporting for shorts and it's over reporting for longs. Uh, that means that the total return and how. Yes. All right. So uh, all of these should be like 0.5. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Oh, the return is negative 0.45. This should also be negative 0.45. Oh no, wait, the P&L is 50. Something is so wrong here. Because if we add in the fees, I wonder if it's possible that it has to do with this. Oh, mine, this is gonna be a fucking nightmare. This is going to be a nightmare. If it's over-reporting and then under-reporting. So maybe what I can do with this, maybe what I can do is say fee equals order result dot fee paid. So if it's a buy, then this needs to be negative. And if it's a set, wait, no, this is a sell. And then if it's a buy, I need to make it like this. And then we'll do fee as in fee. Let us see if this actually solves the possible issue. Oh. So now it's properly reporting, and then it's under. What if I just do this? What if I just switched them up? Oh man. Yeah, I am not sure what to do about this. All I know is that without knowing how any of this stuff is actually calculated, uh, 109, this is 216. Let's see, so here we have the percent change. So we have 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 1.36, 1.36. This is 1.35, 1.35, 0.5, 0.45, 0.5, 0.43. Oh, man. So in a dilemma here. I have to figure out how he is calculating any of this because the percentage change between here and here. Let me do like a point. So here we are over reporting for the P&L. So we're over reporting for the P&L, but the return is correct. And we're under reporting for this, but the P&L is correct. So where it's having its issue is when you have multiple orders. So here, then we add to this. And now we have issues. So here we have plot P&L. So here we have this self. Then a column is optional, none, and then we have our quarks. Self and quarks. The self is all the information that it needs. And so then we're going to do trades dot plot P&L, column equals columns, and then quarks. So plot P&L is inside of trades in the portfolio. Where's trades at? Portfolio. What? It's up here in portfolio trades. Plot P&L. So then it's doing this orders. Plot P&L. We have order of 1, then negative 0.5, then negative 0.5. What the fuck is this thing doing? Plot trade P&L and returns. How does this make any sense? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here we're buying, so it's 100. So now we're gonna sell half at 200. We're gonna sell a half at 3. That's somewhere. I still think that there's still the fundamental thing of like, how is this information constructed? Closed profit. open mask and profit mask. P and L is self column get field array P and L. Self call is self select one call. Group by equals false. So it's taking this self call. I wonder if I can oh, portfolio here. I was in the wrong thing. So I need to go portfolio here. Then go to trades. Then come down to all of this stuff. God damn it. What? You know. This. So let's see if we can get this thing to... Hey, we're here! So what's inside of self-call? Oh my god. Entry fees. What the hell is all of this? Where's... Oh, here it is. Mapped array. Is that what we have here? 174. 176. One 18197. 18861. This is right. So I guess this is why it has 6. Well, this 17648. 18197 is not right. This is correct. This is correct. Then this is not correct. How is it messing up on these entries? So that means this self-call select one. The fuck is this? Where are we at? We're in a wrapping. Oh my god. Alright, let's try to see what happens if we do this again. So we've already, like, done all this wrapping stuff. Self already has this. So self is self, which is the portfolio. Maybe I need to do that. Maybe I need to yeah, come out here and do this. Wrapping.init and then the self. Okay, so where do we get the entry and exit trades from? Trade type exit trades. So is it here? All right, these are my order records so far. Init cache, fill NA, call sequence, trade types. It's probably nothing. Ah, shit. Now we're here. So we lost everything. So what happens after that? I feel like nothing happens after that. This is just what it is. Right? So if we did PF, QF, directory. We have all these things that we can call. And when we call that, it's going to take... So when we call one of these things, it's going to take... It's going to take the information and... Because over here, if we do this, we have all of this stuff. Alpha, annualized, asset flow. Get cash balance series by column. What's this? Hmm. If I get entry trades is in portfolio base. Get entry trades. Shit! From orders. Get entry trades. Entry trades. Get entry trades. Get entry trades. Get entry trade records. Entry trades from orders. Trade record array. Get entry trades in B. Fill entry trade records by aggregating order records. Entry trade records are buy orders in long position and sell orders in short position. Oh my god. This is where the problem is. Right? That has to be where the problem is at. So here we have the ID column, size, entry, index, entry price, entry fee, exit index, exit price, exit fees, P&L, return, direction, status, parent ID. This is where the problems are coming from. But I don't know how to get here. Get entry trades in B. Fill entry trade records by aggregating order records. Entry trade records are buy orders in long positions and sell orders. So here, entry trade records, get entry trade in B, order records, close column map. Wait, how do you get exit trades? Exit trade records are sell orders in a long position and buy orders in a short position. Exit trade records are sell orders in a long position and buy orders in a short position. Sell orders in a long position, buy orders in a short position. It's the same thing here. P&L 1.8.20. So I feel like this is the area that's got to be the problem, but I just don't know how. I have to send it a column map close 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Order records call simulate from orders in B. Simulate from orders. So this is my close equals order price. Close and order price equal the same exact thing. So price is close. Price is close. What the fuck is this order price then? Why do you even have order price? What is the point of even having order price if you don't? So close is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Call sequence, init cache, target shape, group lens. So target shape is close. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 and 2. The target shape is group lens 2, init cache. Okay. Call sequence, target shape 0. Full of zeros. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is for column. So column, we entered column 0. All right, so I am just doing this. Um, let's actually see this real quick. What are the order records? So we buy, we sell, we sell, we buy, we sell, we sell. We buy, we sell, we sell. Um, So if I'm in it, if I'm not in a position, then do this. If I am in a position, then entry size sum plus equals order size. So now the direction is sell. If close in B, exit. But this sucks because I think what's going to have to happen is like I am going to have to I'm going to have to change how this works fundamentally because this and this is how anything in the portfolio works. And so if I want to do anything that is in the portfolio, like plotting and any of this other stuff, I'm going to have to change this. Where the hell was I at? Yeah, I'm gonna have to change this. Because then it's going to report back. It's going to say fill entry trades in position. Trade status, direction, fees, sum, gross. Position closed. Records. Either that or I'm going to have to be able to understand. I'm going to have to be able to understand how to report the information. So maybe all I have to do is like save the original size or something like that. And then if I report that as the size, and then I report certain things as the price or whatever it is, then maybe I don't have to actually go through and change any of this stuff. Maybe it's just a thing of like, I need to report the proper size or the proper something. But this is really confusing as to how we can say that get entry trades. So entry trade records are buy orders in a long position and sell orders in a short position. So this is a buy, a sell, a buy, and a sell. So it should only be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't understand how you have 4 and then 4. It should only be 3 and 3 and 3. It should be 1, 2, 3, and then it should be 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So how the hell do you get 4? Uh, uh, 0, and this is 0. Okay, so that makes more sense that you had one size here at entry price of 6, your exit price was 6, therefore you returned nothing. Direction was, so this is buy, sell. Status is 0, which means it didn't get filled or something like that. So if you have a fee of this, but why the hell would you enter at 5? Why would you enter here if it's -2? What if this was -1? What if this is negative? What? What? Why are there more? Man, Pollock is a fucking idiot, man. Why is it so difficult to just make something that makes sense and you just explain it in a way that it makes sense? Like, how the fuck is anybody supposed to understand this? How is anybody supposed to understand why you have a -2 here? Oh my god. I hate this guy so much, man. He is such a fucking idiot. Oh, right now I don't have anything because I just have to yeah, I just have to figure out the what yeah, I have to just figure out what's going on here. What? I lost 20 cents. Lost 20 cents, made 40, made 40, lost 20, lost 20, made 40. Lost 12, lost 12, made 47. How do we self.trades, get trades, then get trades does get entries and get exit, return get positions. Get positions does from trades, exit trades. What if self.trade type equals trade type dot entry trades? Entry trades, exit trades. Trade types. So I have to figure out what this self is. Trade types. But that's not even like that's not even in the order. That's not even in this order records. But I guess when you're creating the portfolio from the order records, it auto trade types. Trade types. It's this. Which is optional. How do I 010101? Thirty, 60, 30, 60, 30, 60. Whoops. You. Come on, man. Self.trades. Wait, how does this? I want to create a folio based off of this. And then this will be let's name it VBT2. So this knows nothing about the other one. P&L is 59. This is 30, 32. This is 30, 32. This is 601. This is 604. This is this. 6. Ew. Here, this was 37. Oh, I have that 50 cent. 50 cent 50 cent thing on there. Uh And if I remove that, $59, $820. So everything seems to be okay. It's just when you get to the multiple take profits is the problem. Itself. Lock. What is this, trades? I got order records, I got trades. Trade type. Trades type is 1. Okay. So here. So this is a self. What the hell did I... Oh, trades type is 1 as well. Okay. So here we're gonna wrap it. Now we have moved our way into trades. Close profit trace chords. Where do we actually do the calculating here? Hmm? Trades dot regroup. So we're in trades. Select one. Dot regroup. Check out. It's a one-dimensional return self. Where does it get this P and L from? Get field array? What? What is this self call? Self call? What? Self portfolio dot trades dot exit trades. Portfolio dot trades dot exit trades. These are all mapped arrays? What? Get field title P and L. But how does it make this? That is the question. How do you make P and L? Self call dot get field P and L. Return exit ID X. We have IDX size, price, fees. Fill entry trades in position. Fill entry trades in position in B. Where the fuck does it get the P&L from? Where does it get this? Exit trade records. Exit trade in B. Order records closed. Column map. ID column, entry price, entry fees, exit ID, exit price, exit fees. Exit fees, direction, trend status, parent ID, records, order, records. This, first C, last C, first entry. Fill entry trades in position. Fill entry trades in position. Here's this. Is that what I was just looking at? Yeah, that's what I was just looking at. Fill trade record in B. P&L is P&L. P&L, get, calculate P&L and returns. Get trade stats in B. P&L is value diff minus entry fees minus exit fees. What the fuck is val diff? Exit value minus entry value. So entry fees minus exit fees. Basically, I'm just gonna keep looking through here until I can figure out but it's here. It's here. It's here. I need to figure out a way to make this entry price the actual average, the average entry price. What if for my helper function the price was actually this? Then we would have some problems because the size and the average entry is not. What if I just did this? Position. If I did that. Found order with size 0 or less. Oh. Well, I think if position is greater than or equal to 0, else well, I don't think that's going to work because when I close out, the position that's going to be sent in the order result is going to be 0. I think this is the answer here. Somewhere around like so I'd have to say something like if position is greater than 0, then the size is going to be this. If it's an entry, if it's a take profit, then it's going to be just regular size. Anyways, I'm just gonna work on this. So one of the things I just found out was that the reason why I wasn't getting to these methods sometimes is because they're all cached. So in order for me to actually get in here and make this work and watch it call all of the functions, I need to disconnect, restart, clear everything, run all of these above, and then go to debug. And then when I debug, it'll actually go to where it needs to go to. And then if I finish this, then if I run this again, I go in here, I'm going to get the cache method, which is this. So that's where this decorators, that's why I've always been ending up here. But I remember there's a way to turn off caching. But I remember looking at somebody talking about something, and what's his name? Pollock told him to turn off cache. I think it was from the Blind Monk. Anyways, I'll just keep looking. I think I might have found a possible thing. Number debug cache. Disable cache. Oh, number disable. The cache. Searching over here. If set to non-zero, print out information about operation of the JIT cache. Docs on cache clearing. Oh. To clear the cache directory can be simply removed. Remove the cache directory from Novo. Environment available C environment for caching. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. So you run it. If I debug, please, god Damn it! It's cached still. It's cached. Still. It is cached still. Oh, that is this guy here. Oh, that is him. Oh. Shit. I do not think it is possible. Disables caching if should cache yields false or non-hashable object. See notes on cache property. What the fuck is cached property? Anyways, I'm not gonna record anymore because this is just gonna be a lot. Hey, I figured it out. So, here there's a setting, caching enabled equals false. So here, inside of setting, you can do the same with any sub configuration inside of setting. Big. What is this? Um, oh my God, this shit is all over the place. Like bbt dot setting dot data dot binance dot da 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 da. Thank God he had the cache here. Caching? See, it says here configure enable, but how was I supposed to know caching? Caching. How am I supposed to know this? Caching can be disabled globally via caching in settings. Hmm. Okay. Anyways, I think I figured it out. It's very weird though because here, if I go to debug and then I step forward, oh, it instantly steps me to this. Okay. And then from here, what happened? Oh. close equals 2D array self get filled close. Total profit equals total profit in B. Okay, close self.orders.values. Self.orders. Self.orders.values is here. Are these my orders? Self.orders.values is here. We've got my values. Okay. So let's go here. And we got to order records. Add in B, add in B. If record size equals by order size equals record size, asset call equals add asset call order size, asset column. The hell is that? Asset call equals add asset call plus order size. Okay. Fill cash balance. Side is by. Order cash equals record size times record price plus record fees. You add the order cash. Total profit equals cash plus asset times close. Wait a minute. What is my total profit? Six minus this. Let's actually look at what the answer is. Because I think what we can do is also we do this, then we do realize P&L, then we just do dot sum. It's gonna be in A in P dot in A and to num. It's gonna work. Ah, dot sum. Okay. So this is saying that it's 6. This is actually 4. Hmm. How is it possible? So record price plus record size plus the fees cash call, cash plus asset times close. What? Wait a minute. What? Wait a minute. I think I might be really fucked here. Really fucked. Order cash is 99999. So my cash is negative 100. So grabbing the record. It's taking the record side as a buy, which is true. So the negative 200 makes sense. Okay. It's another buy, so we're going to get to negative 300. Okay, so this is when we sell. Order record size. Asset call. Order size is this. Now we have record size. Record size times record price. Minus fees? Why would you minus the fees? How much are the fees? The fees are 0. So order cash is record size. Record size is 1. Record price. Record size is this. Size is 1. Wait, what? Size is this times this. Why is this thing like a... You subtract the fees, but you add the fees here. But there are no fees anyways. $305. How do I get this size to be 300? How do I get... So this would have to be... This would have to be... Oh. Oops. This would have to be 300 divided by this. Get you this. So how do I get... I have to be able to send it the position before it's closed. Position. If I can send it the position, then I think it's possible. So here the position is this. So I think what I would have to do, so we see here, if I could do position, if I could do order record this, if I did this, I did size, I did a PCT change, and I did -1. What's that gonna give me? 0. So if I did -2, shit, that's not gonna work. Oh yeah, it would. Okay, so in theory, I could say that if it is a take profit, wait, what? This should still work. Okay, so in theory, I should do something like this minus 2. So that would give me not the last position, because minus 1 would give me this. I want this one. So that should make this like this, which is what I need. So let's see what happens. Ah, shit. I would have to. Oh, shit. I would actually. Here in the process order. I would have to send this by itself, and then I would have to go over to the helper function, and for each one of these I would have to add this. Then I'd be able to do this. In theory. What? What? Why is this 0? It should be this. Be 3. This should be 2. How does this not work? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh. I'd have to debug this. And then I'd have to go to the fill order records, and then I'd have to do this. Here we are. Why is this? That's not true. Why can't I do -2? What? -1, -3? What if I did order count ID -1? Ah, there we go. -1. Now let's see if that works. We still have 696, 9. Why? Why? The value difference is 752. What is the value difference? Add exit value, which is this, minus entry value. Entry value? Entry price? Exit? What the fuck is the entry price? What? 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 Where do you get the entry price from? The entry price is 17,475. 17. Is that the average entry? Um, 17,475. Uh, this is. This is my average entry. And if I'm sending the price as price, so I'm sending the average entry. So where in the fuck is it getting that craziness? Entry price, fill trade records. Fill trade. Oh, it's not fill trade record in B. It's something else before that. How do I even get here? How did I get here? Oh boy. All right, so after a lot of research, I have found that you can do add only to accumulate. So, yeah. Uh, I don't know. Like I said, it's really making me start to think like, should I have even built what I have built? Because it has, accumulation, it has all of this stuff. I have it set to 1 and 2. Yeah. 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is where the thing gets really annoying because it's like, how much money is this? Here you have a bunch of accumulation of 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 0 0 0 1. This has 0 0. This has 0 1 and 0 0. I should be able to buy all of the. Zero zero one 0 0 1. This is 0 0 0 1. 17 1 9. 17 But then when it's doing the ad only, is it keeping track of your average entry? Uh, oh my God, it's time to go to sleep. Because here we have our real prices. So we have this. We have this price, we have this price, and we have this 17,719. 17,929? Two oh six what? 119. 18,017. I guess I would also have to look at the open, high, low, close volume to see. He's probably more right than I am. Seventeen nine two nine. I don't know how to plot the open, high, low, close. Where I've done it before. The fuck? What? You're telling me out of all of these, I haven't done open, high, low, close? What? Yeah, I don't really know what I'm looking for. But I'd much rather make mine work. I just need to turn this whole process. Oh, I mean, it's all I gotta do is just move this. Well, I have to include risk to reward, stop loss, percent. Oh, wait, this is the wrong one. Yeah, so I need to take this information and then create an order record. But I can't do that. Oh, man, well, now that I think about it, maybe it's possible that if I just rebuild the get entry trades and get exit trades and make it the way I want to and send back all of that information necessary for like entry trades and exits and all of that other stuff, then I think it should technically work everywhere, right? Well, no, because not everything uses the get entry and get exit. Like the total profit doesn't use that. Yeah, I don't know.